What's the one thing that separates a bad game from a good game? Now, what separates a good game from a great game? That's right, fishing minigames. Fishing minigames is where we get to truly see the creativity of the developer shine. From Stardew Valley's minimalistic minigame to Sekiro, where you can jump off a temple to murder a sacred fish. That's one heck of a minigame. Fishing minigames are crucial to video games, and after seeing that, I decided to make my very own high-quality fishing minigame. Simple, fill the bar minigame, just get the ball rolling and those fingertips warmed up. Starting with the classic center move that allows flexibility on the board, and I'll be completely honest, I just programmed this AI to just pick a move randomly. Like, it's effectively impossible to lose. And there we have an easy win. Running out of time a little, but it's fine. Now we got a simple timing game here to test your reflexes. Everybody loves a little rhythm game, or they do if, you know, it has rhythm and music. Now that I think about it, that's kind of lacking here. Wait, why is it going this fast? It shouldn't do that. Anyway. Now the card swipe, the most difficult minigame. Not counting the previous one, because that's obviously just completely broken. Somehow. I don't know who coded it, but you know, there's no reason to point fingers here. I should be able to complete this. There we go. Easy. Now that we've caught the fish, it's just a simple matter of putting your business information in for it to be shipped to us. And what, you know, it'll probably be a couple business days. That's not really important. What is important is putting your social security in so we can make sure you get it on time. And oh, the timer stopped. Can I just click order? Oh. Huh. I don't think, let's just fill the bar and see what happens. I think, oh, and tick, okay. Well, we're kind of stuck in infinite loop. Good luck. Hope you get your fish.